Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove member in Notion. This is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First navigate to your workspace name and click on it. Here click on Settings. Now navigate to Workspace and under Workspace menu click on People. Here click on Members and choose a member that you want to remove and click on his role. And this will expand this menu and you can select Remove from Workspace. Here you can select a reason, so let's say he is switching to another tool and press Continue. Now simply remove this person from your workspace and you are done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.